Hello everybody, today is the 15th day of September 2018. Today's vlog is gonna be about breaking the rules of art. This is the second vlog post I've ever made in my life. The first one was about procrastination and it was made almost a year ago, and I've procrastinated making the second vlog every single day till this day. I'm telling you, I'm not lying. Every single day I was like, today will be the day I'll make it, and the day passed. So here we are 1 year later with episode 2, which is breaking the rules of art. Another title for this should be that there is no rules in art. But before I get into that, I would like to say something about this video. I made I merged two videos together to make this speed drawing. They did poorly on YouTube, got only a few views. The first version didn't get any view, and this is the second day because it's boring. So if you ever get bored watching this, although this is a speed version, I believe due to low attention span, people will be more likely to watch a speed drawing than real life sketch in real time. So if you ever get bored, feel free to read the content of the textbook. Those are educational material. They cost a lot of money. This is my course material. You could read it, you will get enlightened, you could expand your knowledge if you ever get bored watching the sketch. Okay, so I'm just trying to say, in art, rebellious artists have proven that there's no such thing as rules or laws in art. The only thing we could say, art is whatever you get away with. Anytime someone tries to establish a rules, there's always one crazy artist that breaks it. For instance, they will teach you about rally method in art school, which unfortunately I wasn't able to attend, but hopefully in the future I will learn a few things about the conventional way of making things in art academy, art school. You say like rally method, you say there's this proportion between the forehead and the eyes, and this measurement between the eyes and the nose and the lips. But this thing is not applicable to every human being, because human being comes in different shapes and size, different races. All the people in my village may look alike because we share similar DNA, or all the people of a certain nationality may look in certain way alike because they share similar DNA, but it's not applicable on an international scale. So the only thing I follow is you draw whatever you see, not what you think is there. Because when you start following these rules, you start drawing things that are not really there. So for instance, they'll tell you this is how you hold your pencil, or this is how you hold your biro. In this case it's a pen. I don't follow any of that. I just do whatever I feel is more comfortable to the hand. Trust your hand, trust your instinct. You have always been an artist since you were young. That is if you feel comfortable that I can make this curve by holding this pencil tighter, I do it. If you feel I can make this curve by loosening it, holding it at the edge, I do it. And there are all sort of rules. I can't remember all of them now. It works well for most people, but it's not for everybody. For instance, I do the combination of cross-hatching and scribble when making my work, together with a host of other things that are not necessarily conventional. The thing there is to just trust yourself, observe, and just follow your instinct. Please feel free to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and also pressing that bell so that you won't miss any notification. Thank you very much for viewing.